The Philippines has started soliciting offers as it plans to procure 40 new multi-role fighter aircraft to boost its territorial defense, Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro said Thursday. The Philippines is not settling for less. DND Sec. Gibo Teodoro revealed yesterday, August 29, 2024, during the congressional budget hearing for DND that they are seeking financing packages to acquire not less than 40 multi-role fighter jets. He said 12 MRF jets will not make any difference at all and that they should at least get 40. Bidders must submit a proposed financing package where payment can be spread out, Teodoro told a congressional budget hearing. This is also because we have decided that acquisitions shall be for capabilities that can make a real difference, Teodoro said. Just to get, for example, multi-role fighters, 12 of those will not make any difference at all. So, the minimum for us will be 36 aircraft, which is only a squadron and a half. But that would be credible. Plus 4 in reserve because 80% in service rate is a good standard, he added. He did not specify which models the Philippines was seeking to procure or potential bidders. It was not immediately clear the time frame for the planned procurement. The Philippines, a defense ally of the United States of America, is seeking to modernize and beef up its military inventory, and its Air Force currently has few fighter jets. The military chief has said the country needed faster and more lethal, multi-role jet fighters on top of its South Korean FA-50s. The government is looking at reasonable financing schemes to fund its modernization program, including tapping syndicated loans from private lenders, Teodoro said. He pointed out that the General Appropriations Act budget alone would not be enough to fund military modernization projects. Until we find those kinds of creative financing, we have to work within the confines of the revised AFP modernization program, he said. But then we're closely coordinating with your honors regarding whatever financial schemes we can get, because it's really important that everybody pitches in for national sovereignty and territorial integrity, he added. Teodoro said he coordinated with the Bankers Association of the Philippines, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, and Department of Finance, DOF, to allow his agency to seek creative financing methods that will be under the Multi-Year Contractual Authority, MICA, for big-ticket items. To secure syndicated loans for it, divide the amortizations to engage a term of the loan to a long period as possible given the useful life of whatever equipment is going to be purchased, and to chop up the amounts into digestible amortizations that we can afford, he said. However, there has been no commitment yet from the BSP and DOF about the matter. According to Teodoro, the DND may also need legislation to support the move because existing law in external loans provides that any defense acquisition is limited to only $300 million. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has approved ReHorizon 3, an acquisition plan for new military weaponry and equipment worth 1.89 trillion pesos, $33.64 billion, to boost defenses. The procurement of 40 new multi-role fighter jets represents a critical step in the Philippines' journey toward a more modern and capable military force. As the government navigates the complexities of this acquisition, the focus remains on securing the best possible platforms that meet the operational needs of the Air Force while also ensuring a sustainable financial strategy. With this initiative, the Philippines not only aims to strengthen its defense against external threats but also seeks to reaffirm its commitment to maintaining peace and security in a region marked by increasing geopolitical uncertainties. As the bidding process unfolds, the nation and its allies will be closely watching, hopeful that this strategic investment will yield a significant enhancement in the country's defense capabilities.